we're going to create our own puzzle now. So the first thing you want to do is duplicate the original layer. So you can right click duplicate or Command J, either way, as long as you have two. And turn the original off, keep the new layer selected. That way when you turn it in, I know what it should look like and I know what you did with it. So to separate this into puzzle pieces, we need to increase the size of your canvas so we have a place to put the pieces. So to do that, image, canvas size, we will anchor this original puzzle in the middle, but really you could anchor it wherever you want. I'm going to add 20 inches to each dimension. So instead of 16.6, it'll be 36.6, 46.6, and click OK. Now I have lots of space to separate this puzzle into many pieces. You should have at least 8 pieces in your puzzle. If not more, that would be up to you. I'm just going to use the rectangular marquee to demonstrate. I've selected a section, take my move tool. Notice how that move tool gets a scissor. That means you're able to cut it up. So I dragged it up top. I'm going to go to edit, transform, and I am going to rotate it because of course I don't want it to be too easy to solve. I want someone to work at it. And deselect, Command D. Grab my selection tool again, grab my move tool, which is V. So I'm using my shortcuts. Go back to deselect, my marquee tool. Maybe this time I take a longer piece, go to my move tool, which is V, click and drag, and maybe I rotate again. You will keep doing that until you have separated the puzzle completely, and you should have 2 layers when you're done. Now I noticed some people did it a different way, where they selected, copied, and pasted, and then merged at the end. As long as in the end you have 1 layer that has your original and 1 layer that has all of your separated pieces when you submit it. I'm going to deselect. So you don't have to watch me do the entire puzzle, but once you're done, make sure you go to File, Save As, and be sure you always save in the Photoshop format so you maintain the layers to show your work and label it accordingly. And that is it for creating your own puzzle.